Today we will discuss about how to find referring views in a Revit project. First, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. By using the Find Referring View feature, we can easily locate any views we have created without having to go on a hunt through the project. The view to be searched for must be related to the object you are searching for. For example, right-click by selecting an object and choose to find referring views from the context menu. Now those 3D, elevation or section views will be visible, which has relation with this object. Now you will select the view in which you want to see the referring to this element. For example, if you go to 3D view, the referring view will be highlighted. Similarly, by going in any view, the referring view will be highlighted. When you cut a section of a view, the section view scale and visual style is set to make it easier to work with. Then you can move the same section and use it in different places so that you don't have to repeat these settings. When we work on a big project in the central model, then different users creates lot of section views. So your modified section can be easily found in the project by Find Referring Views tool. For this, right-click on your modified section in the project browser and select Find Referring Views in the context menu. Now select the views you are working on. The section you want will be highlighted as the view opens. Now you can use this section by moving it to different places. How is referring view searched? Today we discuss this topic. I hope that you understand and like this topic. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.